Hey guys, welcome back. Today's tutorial will show you how to use Google Trends for keyword research. Do you want to improve your keyword research by using Google Trends? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so we are here to give you a more detailed step-by-step guide on how to use Google Trends for your keyword research. Step number 1 is go to the Google Trends website, which is trends.google.com/trends. So when you arrive at the Google Trends homepage, you will see a search bar where you can enter your desired keyword or phrase. You have to make sure to enter a specific keyword or phrase related to your industry or topic or niche. Step 2. Once you've entered your keyword, you'll see a chart that shows you the search volume over time. After entering your keyword, you'll see a chart that shows the search volume of the keyword over time, and you can adjust the date range to see how the search volume has changed over the past week, the past month, the past day, year, or a longer period of time. You can also select a specific geographic location to see how the search volume differentiates between country or region. Step number 3. Scroll down to see related queries, which are on the search terms that people also search for in relation to your keyword. Scrolling down on the page, you'll see a section called Related Queries. This section displays other search terms that are frequently searched along with your keyword. These terms can provide you with ideas for additional keywords to target in your content. Step number 4. You can also click on Top or Rising to see the most popular or fastest growing related queries. Within the related queries, you'll see 2 tabs. The first is Top and the other is Rising. Clicking on Top will show you the most popular related queries, while clicking on Rising will show you the queries that are growing in popularity the fastest. These tabs can help you identify emerging trends and new keywords to target in your content or niche. Step 5. Use the Compare feature to compare the search volume of multiple keywords or phrases. If you want to compare the search volume of multiple keywords or phrases, click on the Compare button at the top of the page. This will allow you to enter up to 5 different keywords or phrases and compare their search volume over time. This can help you identify which keywords are more popular and which ones might be worth targeting in your content. Step 6. You can also use the Related Topics section to see other topics that are related to your keywords. Below the Related Queries section, you'll see a section called Related Topics. This section displays other topics that are related to your keyword and can help you identify additional keywords and topics to target in your content. Finally, Step 7. Consider using the Related Queries section to identify long-tailed keywords or specific phrases that people are searching for. These can be valuable for targeting specific niches of answering specific questions in your content. Within the Related Queries section, you can also scroll down to see a list of related queries by sub-region and related queries by topic. These selections can help you identify long-tailed keywords or specific phrases that people are searching for. These keywords can be valuable for targeting specific niches or answering specific questions in your content. In summary, using Google Trends can provide you with valuable insights into the search behavior of your target audiences and help you identify new keywords and topics to target in your content. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use Google Trends for your keyword research. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.